Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Derek Collins with the Diversion Center telling you guys, let's make it happen. It's 2024. It is time to make it happen. A lot of people struggle with starting their private practice, and I'm telling you guys, don't struggle. You can make it happen. If you're trying to do this court mandated thing, be confident. And some of you guys may lack confidence. You might be scared. I talk about this all the time how many people are just afraid to move forward. And I'm going to let you know a secret fear will keep you broke. If you want to be broke, be fearful. Always remember that. So go ahead and just do it anyway. Face your fears, make it happen. Do not be afraid because there are people that are less qualified than you, less talented than you, making a ton of money providing court mandated services. They just face their fears. That's the difference. You may lack information, you may lack awareness of what you can and cannot do, but don't let that hinder you from getting started. Get coaching, get advice from myself or someone else in the field that will help you go to the next level. I'm here to help. We have a court mandated, or excuse me, court approved uh, summit coming up pretty soon, April 20th, 2024. I'm really excited about it. So I want you guys to attend. It's a 100% free summit. You upgrade to VIP for $47. And I highly recommend that you upgrade because I'm going to be dropping some serious game in the VIP section. Also, getting back to the topic at hand, I want you guys to just really just go after it because I'm just saying. I remember one time I went to a training for anger management, and this training was trash. And I'm like, man, there's like between 50 to 100 people in the room. Seemed like there's at least 100 people in the room, and I'm like, they made this much money off of 100 people, and the training was lackluster. And I was like, man, if they can do it, I damn sure can do it. I knew more about anger management than they did. And I'm letting you guys know. Put yourself out there and believe in yourself. I know you guys know people like the people I just described that you're like, oh, I took this training. I didn't get any value from it. It sucked. How are these people making money and I'm over here struggling? Or why is it that I'm not hitting my income goals? I know I want to hit six figures. Why haven't I hit six figures yet? Or why haven't I hit seven figures yet? And how are these people getting these people to buy into their programs? It makes no sense. Trust me, guys, I've been there. I know exactly what you're going through. I know what you're talking about. But pursue it anyway. You're going to grow into this. Okay? Remember, you're going to grow into it. All right? You may not start off where you want to be right now, but you will grow into it as long as you do not quit. As long as you keep on pursuing your goal and your dream and you do not quit, it will grow. You will grow into it and it will just blossom. Every year in my business, I made more and more money, meaning I had an increase in profit every single year in my business. I've also had an increase in sales every year in my business. Why? It's because I studied, I got better, and I never gave up. Okay? Did I have hard situations? Did I have hard points in my business where sales were down? Yes. Where was the money low? Yes. But there's when you make a whole bunch of money, that's the time for you to save it. For times when it gets a little shaky. And those shaky times will come. You'll be like, what is going on? Why are not people calling me for my services? You're checking the phones like, does the phone work? What's going on? Of course, you're not doing it when you're slammed and when you're busy, but when you're slow, you're like, oh, hold on, what's going on? So the biggest thing to do in that situation, if you're going through that, is to appreciate what you do have. I thank God that I have what I have. I'm very thankful for what I have, and I never take it for granted. So I want you guys to understand the power of gratitude and being thankful for what you have, and just really keep pursuing what you have, and be thankful that you have the ability to turn it around. Some people don't even have the ability to turn it around. Some people get stuck, they get frustrated, and they just give up. And I'm letting you guys know, don't give up. Keep pursuing it. Get help. Be encouraged. Hey, I went through it too. I went through the periods of being scared, frustrated, not believing in myself, having imposter syndrome, all of that stuff. I went through all of it. Every emotion that you can think of, I've been through it in business. I've had the anger, I had the doubt, the frustration, the fear, the sadness, the excitement, uh, everything you can think of, I've had it. Of course, my phone would ring while I'm recording a video. Um, I swear, every time I want to record a video, that's what happens. Stuff like that. There you go. Phone rings while you're trying to record a video. So, and it hasn't rang as the phone hasn't rang all day. You see what I'm saying? These are the things that you're going to encounter while you're in business. And yeah, guys, just keep on pursuing your goals and dreams. I'm here to encourage you, and I highly recommend that you guys attend the summit on April 20th on 420, National Weed Smoker Day, right? Awesome day to have a training. So attend the training. I'm going to lay it all on the line. I'm going to share all my information. So yeah, attend the training. It's going to be awesome. And then what else? Mm. When you're starting your practice, have a goal for yourself. It could be, when I started my practice, my goal was to make $300 a day. That can be your goal as well. Um, you say, hey, I'm gonna strive to make $300 a day. That's roughly $100,000 a year. And if I can do 300 a day for 5 days a week, um, out of the year, I can hit 100 grand. So if that's your goal, 100 grand, you can do it. And interesting stat, um, there are 33 million businesses in the United States, and there's only 86% of them don't even make 100 grand a year. Can you believe that? 80% of businesses in the United States don't even hit $100,000 in revenue. That is insane. That is crazy when you really think about it. 86% don't even hit $100,000 in revenue. This is why this is a great business to get into, because it is insanely easy to hit $100,000 in revenue if that's your goal. Or your goal could be higher. It could be 500K or 700K or even $1 million. That would be fantastic. And it is possible, by the way. You can hit $1 million providing court mandated services. It's definitely possible. You gotta be strategic, but it's definitely possible. Okay. Um, Also, if you guys get a chance, visit um, marketyourprivatepractice.com. Marketyourprivatepractice.com. I have a new training out. I partnered with Omar Ruiz. We created a company called Private Practice Marketing, where we're helping people with their Psychology Today accounts. So if you have a Psychology Today profile and you want to take it to the next level and you want to get more clients and more referrals through Psychology Today, I highly recommend that you take that course. There is no course like it. We put everything into that course, and you can apply this to your court mandated business, because some of the tricks and tactics that are in the course I use for my business. So if you want to copy what I'm doing, take the Ultimate Psychology Today course at marketyourprivatepractice.com. And yeah, take the course. It's going to be phenomenal. And you can't beat the value. Right now, it's on pre sale for $297. So it's 50% off right now. So get it right now while it's on pre sale. You can change the pre sale price at any time. So definitely check it out. Also, you guys notice I'm not afraid to sell myself. Um, Put your offers out there. Let people know what you're offering. If you're providing value to the community and to other people, make sure that you're making an offer. Let people know, hey, be proud of what you're selling. I'm proud of what I'm selling. I'm proud of the Psychology Today course that we have. It is awesome. There's no course better than it. Period. Hands down, there's no course better than the Ultimate Psychology Today course. I'm proud of it. Okay? Sell your stuff. Put yourself out there. Okay? Let people know that you're out there and you're willing and dealing. Hey, if they cannot find you, they cannot flow you. They have to be able to find you to pay you. So please put yourself out there. Do not let imposter syndrome get in the way. I also used to tell the people I used to train, I used to say, hey, they don't know that you don't know. Or meaning they don't know that you're not unsure of yourself or you're not as confident as you should be. Don't worry about that, all right? Move anyway. They don't know that you're having these doubts, okay? Everyone has doubts. That's normal, that's natural, okay? Hey, there's times where I doubt myself. I'm like, hey, should I even record today? You know, should I even do this? I'm not even prepared. I'm just going off the top of my head doing a video because I haven't did a video in so long. So I was like, let me do a video today. And I've been doing evaluations all day and I'm behind. I think I have like 3 or 4 evaluations I need to type up real quick because I've been slacking. But I just say, hey, let me go on the video and do something real quick while I'm in the house. So I'm letting you guys know that I just wing it, man. Straight up, I just wing it. I know my stuff and I know what I'm providing is value. I know I can help other people. And if you feel like you can help other people and provide value, do it. Also, invest in yourself. Stop playing, guys, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to get rich, invest in yourself. Invest in, and a lot of people are like, oh, you're just saying that because you have programs and products that you sell. No, but yes, you can buy my products and programs. But besides that, I buy other people's products and programs, and that's why I'm able to excel as fast as I'm excelling because I invest money. I take all the profit that I make and I totally throw it into another vehicle and invest to help me make more money. I'll invest in services. Like right now, I'm investing in my branding right now. Also, investing in my funnel right now. I'm investing in coaching right now. I'm in a mastermind right now. I I take the money that I make and just invest in my education, information. Also, I pay to get in the room. There are people that have resources that I would never have access to that now I have access to that I can pay and take my business to the next level because they have information that I don't have. They're masters at certain things that I'm not a master at. And what I also do is instead of waiting to spending the time to learn certain things, I'll just pay someone that's a pro at it and it gets done severely fast. That's my cheat code. If you really want to know my cheat code, I pay people that are pros at what they do and I pay them to do it for me. That's my cheat code. Instead of me doing everything myself, I just pay people that are professionals at what they do and they're experts. Now, sometimes you will have some vetted, you have to vet your people, by the way. You have to vet your people because sometimes I've had vendors that I paid for that sucked, okay? Remember, you get what you pay for. Remember that. You get what you pay for. Always remember that. But also, if you want to go to the next level, pay people that are doing it on a high level because they can get you to where you need to be faster. You know, my one of my coaching clients, she just dropped a 10K on me. She just said, "Hey, Derek, I'm dropping the 10K." Another client dropped 20K on me because they just said, "Hey, I want to learn what you know how to do." I forget that mini program you got, forget the whatever. I want to be coached by you one on one for 6 months and 12 months. They said, forget that. I need to know now. I need to get to the 100K. I need to get to the 200K. I need to get to the 300K, 400K, 500K, 600K, 7K, and on because I'm tired of trying to figure this stuff out on my own. What is the cheat code? What can you tell me right now that I can do right now to get there right now? Cut my time, period. Just cut it. And I just chop it. Bam. Chop it. And I give them the information immediately. And then they have to go execute. So once you get the information, it's important for you to execute. Don't just get the information and sit on your hands. It is time to execute now. Okay? Time to execute. All right? The winners execute. They don't talk about it. They don't plan. They don't do a whole bunch of meetings. They don't uh, spend time procrastinating. They execute and they make it happen right now, immediately. Okay? Also, they're not spending time on social media. They don't do a whole bunch of meetings. I can't do a whole bunch of meetings. I can only do what's moving the needle. Okay? I only do what moves the needle in my business. I don't have time to be sitting in a whole bunch of meetings, pondering what if and what else I can do. No, I need to do. I'm a doer. Okay? You want to win in life? Be a doer. Okay? Start doing, stop talking, start doing. I'm not watching, I don't even watch TV. I can't remember the last time I watched TV. Um, I think, I don't even know why I'm paying for cable. I need to turn it off because I never watched the thing. No one in my house watched TV anyway. Um, we're not watching TV. We're not on social media like that. If we're on social media, it's for business purposes. And that's it. Okay? That's how I roll. Okay, I enjoy working, I enjoy putting in the work, and I enjoy helping other people, and I enjoy learning new things. So my new thing right now is AI. I'm into AI heavy right now, and also just learning new tools that I can use to take my business to the next level. And if you guys want to do the same, you can do it. But you have to invest, spend money on your business, spend money on your asset. If your business is an asset, spend money on it. Okay? You need to spend money to grow your business, and it will take care of you as long as you continue to spend money um, strategically. Don't just spend it on whatever. Spend money on things that can help improve your business. Like for example, I have a principle that we never work with shoddy equipment. So, I'm replacing all the computers in my offices, you know, to make sure that they're working at optimum speed and where my employees have the tools that they need to be successful. Okay. Um, make sure I order enough drug tests, make sure I order enough workbooks. So when people come to my office, we have enough drug tests, we have enough workbooks, we're in surplus. All right. Never want to be scrambling. All right. So I hope this helps, guys. I just came on this video real quick. I didn't plan to talk long. I didn't even know what I was talking about. I just said, hey, get on camera and talk. And that's what I'm talking about. It's all about being a doer and just doing it anyway. Don't allow fear to get in your way. You guys got this. Make it happen. See you guys at the April 2024 Court Approved Summit. All right. See you guys later.